Hello everyone, this is Manipulator, today with this nice Discus lock by Master with the little dust cover here in the front. I got this from Locked Out Freediver 72 recently, so I wanted to see what it takes to get inside. Let me get tension in there. It fits very tightly. Snug, okay, good. And I'm using a multi-pick medium hook. Let's see. There should be only 4 pins in this. I'm starting in the back on 4. Good movement already. 3, 2, and 1. Looks like there's some more on 1. And that's it. Alright. So that's all it took to get inside this Master Discus lock. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next one. Manipulator says bye bye.